My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware called HardDriveQueryWave. HardDriveQueryWave is a new adware that we recently discovered. This HardDriveQueryWave adware, once installed, starts to display the tremendous portion of pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. Therefore, in case this HardDriveQueryWave adware was somehow installed to your system, it is time to get rid of this adware. Also, it may periodically redirect your browser to many shady and pretty dangerous resources in the internet. So, if this HardDriveQueryWave was installed, be sure you undertake the measures and get rid of it as soon as you can. To remove this adware, you need to check your Finder on your Mac, check your applications, find this HardDriveQueryWave, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Now, I also recommend you to additionally investigate your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.